Yes, YouTube, good morning and welcome back again. Panic, panic, and pumpage. We found support on the 786 as I showed you guys before. We came for sell side liquidity a little bit lower as what I thought, but there was more liquidity. So we just needed to grab it and now we have a market structure shift on the 15-minute, so we can expect upside. We are already in the trade. We catch this bottom, and from here on we can only go up. So I want to show you guys what happened, for which pool did we came this time, and what I'm expecting for the coming days, weeks, and month, right? So as I said, guys, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and we came for sell side liquidity, right? If you go to my previous video, I told you guys that BTC most likely came for sell side liquidity. We came a little bit lower. I thought that we came for sell side liquidity underneath this WEEX, but we came lower because there's liquidity here, right? So we dipped into it, and now we're going up again. You can see a clear market structure shift here on the 15-minute. So actually, what I'm expecting now for BTC, we go to the weekly time frame. I'm expecting BTC the coming weeks to come to the 786, right? First come to the 618, 786, 786, bounce, and then come for sell side liquidity here. So if you backtest this, actually in, let's say, July 21, we made a pump to the 786 in 1 month, right? This is the weekly time frame, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, let's say 5 weeks, 1 month of pumpage. That's actually what I'm expecting now at this moment. We reached our lowest level. We came for sell side liquidity underneath this this sort of flag. If you go to the lower time frame, you can see clearly that this is a sort of it's not really a flag, but there was a lot of liquidity underneath this. It's a little flag, right? On the 4 hour, it's actually a crazy flag. If you go to the 15, you can see that there was a lot of liquidity here, right? Here. So again, guys, TA spot on, making a reversal. Everybody's panicking, just buy discount, buy the best price as possible. We retested major previous weekly support, and we came for this last fair value gap. Sorry, we didn't came for this last fair value gap yet. We bounced on it, actually. Yeah, we bounced on it. So guys, market structure shift on the 15-minute. I'm expecting pumpage now for BTC the coming weeks. We just entered week 2 of the month. Week 2 and week 3 are the best months to trade. So let's see what's happening now, right? We are already in the long positions now at the moment. If you go to the group, you can see making gains here yesterday and the day before. Very proud of the guys in the group. So congratulations, keep going, and prepare for a big price action the coming days. If you want to enter this trade, it's still possible. Wait till New York time. Wait till New York time to come for sell side liquidity. If you don't want to miss this entry, you can also take this swing low and enter on 78.2k. There's a possibility that we dip in this pool here to catch the ride up. So what you can do actually, so you can enter on the 786 or the 618 on this one, right? To catch the ride up, you know. This is the best price, actually, the best price possible you can get for this month and the coming period. Actually, you know, we can only go up from here on now. There's one thing, one small thing, one bearish sign actually. When you go to the daily, I just showed you guys that we retested this fair value gap. There's a possibility that we fill this gap to come up, you know. So that's 70k. But you know, in case of price action and what I see developing now on the lower time frames, actually this is my model. Just enter on the 618 during New York time to catch the ride up, to come for sell side liquidity, and yeah, it can take a while, you know. Stay tuned because I will post a new video the coming days actually, and follow me on X because I'm active on X, you know. I post some setups there and entries. So if you want to level up your trading without any knowledge, go to X and you can follow my setups there, you know. If you want to level up your trading, you want to learn more about trading, how I predict this kind of trades and price action on the higher time frame, you can join the Crypto Gainers. The link is in the description. So with that said, guys, I thank you all for watching. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.